It's the simple step and ways in which you can achieve this type of shape. It's very easy, but if you don't understand it, you won't get it. Alright, so just stick around and watch this video to the end. If this is your first time seeing my video, watching my video, I welcome you in my amazing channel where I drop video on graphic design. Alright, you are welcome, and feel free to like this video and drop a comment, and make sure you subscribe. Alright, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because you're going to lose something if you don't. Alright, so let's start this design so that it won't be long. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is let us resize this one's our sample. Let's keep it somewhere like this. I'm going to start with this one. Alright, so let's pay much attention right now. We're about to begin. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is to go to our shape. This, for those who are new to PixelLab, I'm just going to do a brief introduction to them. I have also made a video on introduction to this PixelLab app, where you can learn everything on this PixelLab, all the features and everything. This interface, you will learn everything, how to use them and everything. Just check my video on introduction to PixelLab and you will get everything about this PixelLab. But let me just introduce PixelLab to those who are new. Alright, so in PixelLab, when you come, here are the backgrounds. This place are the background. Then the major thing that we want to know now is that here is for our test. If you want to edit, if you want to put anything, test is for this place. Then if you want to do anything concerning shapes, it will be here. Alright, even if you are importing a shape from your gallery, here take care of everything about it. Then here is for our background and here is for our effects, so we're not going to wait a lot of time doing this. Alright, so the thing we are going to do now is just to go to our shape, which I just show you now. You go to your shape, then you are going to select shapes. Alright, so you click on shapes, then we are going to increase. If you scroll, you will see radius. We are going to increase our radius. Alright, so we are going to increase it to something like this. Then we are going to resize. Here's where I'm using to resize, here and here for now. Here is for general resizing, to resize for the shape, that is to maintain its ratio. Right, now let us resize. Just follow along, you will get this video. Then once you are done, just click here. Alright, so then the next thing we are going to do now is to go back to shapes again. Before you do this, make sure you have clicked on the surface anywhere around here, so that it will not be this one that you will be editing. If you check now, this thing is showing that you are going to edit these shapes, but if you once you click on anywhere in this interface, then it will now remove this white thing here, or this, so showing that you are not going to edit that shape, showing you have not selected anything. Alright, click on it. Now after clicking on your interface, you're going to go back to shapes again. When you go to shapes, you're not going to do anything, just to scroll up and select any color, whether red, white or anything. But let me just select this blue color. Alright, so then we are going to resize. Just follow along and get what I'm going to do now. Just follow along. You have to resize and get something like this. Alright, make sure that this shade is smaller than this white one, this main white one. Alright, so but before we continue this, let us lock this white one. Just click here. For those who are new, I don't know how to lock. Then you have to lock this one. This is the one we are working on. These are the ones that we imported, our samples. Alright, so just click here so that you lock on the key icon. If you click on it, then it will unlock, it will lock automatically. Then you're going to place this one in this way, and you have to send it to back. If you check, you'll see to back. Click on it, then it will be at the back of this white one. Now we are going to use position in order for us to keep this in a better position. Alright, you click on it, then you have to walk around it so that you get the proper thing. So if the thing is moving too fast or too away, then you have to reduce this place, moved by, then reduce it to 1, so that it will be moving small for the, so that you will get what you want. I think this is okay. You can see that we are not seeing that blue part again. Alright, I think this is okay. Just leave it like this. Then you have to copy this shape, this blue one, just copy it. If you click on it, then you're going to see copy down here, and click on copy. Then you have to keep it in this way. You have to keep it in this position. Again, you have to send this one back, so the same way we did the other one. Click on to back. Then we are going to use position again, so I will give it a better position. Alright, I think this is okay now. Let me check. You have to check very well before you do mistake. Alright, I think this is okay right now. Let me check for this one also. Okay, they are good like this. Alright, so we are done with this one. Okay, just see what we are going to do now. Click on this. I want us to merge these three shapes, this one, and this one. Alright, so you click there. Then these are the shapes we are going to merge, this, and this. So we have to merge them. The first step you have to take is to click on this. Then you have to check mark each the three ones that you want to merge, which are this and this. Alright, then the next thing, this is just for those who are new to this PixelLab that don't know how to merge. Alright, so the next thing is just click on this center one, then click OK. Then merging means to make them to be one shape. Alright, so then you have to click here so that this interface will be removed. Then you have to go to color. So let us apply a color. If you notice, they have different colors, white and blue. So let's go and apply a color to them so that they will not become one shape. Alright, so if you click on the enable button, you can see now red color is already there. Alright, so let's just make it to look like the sample we are having here. Alright, so let's go back to color and give it a black color. Sorry, it's this one we are editing. So you go to color, make it to be black. Then let us add stroke, because if you notice there is a white surrounding, so you just go to stroke, then on it will automatically add a white stroke for it. Alright, sorry. Alright, so I think we are done with this first shape. Let's just resize and keep it this way. Alright, then the next thing is this one. Now let's start this one. Alright, so you go back to shape again. I hope you guys have know how to go to shapes by now. Alright, so you have to increase this radius again to obtain something like this. Alright, I think it's okay. Then you have to, let's just resize small again. Oh, let me delete this one and start a brush. Alright, it's okay like this. Then we have to go back to shape again. Then let's give this one another color again. Then you have to make the height of this white one and this the height to be equal. Alright, so let's try and know if we can do that. Okay, it's not that equal. I think it will be equal when we use position. Alright, yeah, it's okay like this. Let's increase more. Alright, then we have to place it like this. Then you have to resize and get something like this. Or just do it like this. Let's do it like this. Then you have to send it to back so we can view it very well. Alright, I think it's okay like this. I think this is cool. Alright, then let us move it inside. Let's move it inside like this. Alright, I'm editing the white one, not the blue one, sorry. So let's lock the white one so that it won't be moving, which is this. Alright, so let me edit the one I want to edit. Sorry about that, guys. I think it's okay now. Then let us copy the shape. Very easy. Alright, then you have to place this one like this now. Let's use position, but before then let's send it to back. Right, and let's use position. what? Let me check something. Okay, I think we have gotten what we want. Then let us now merge them the same way. Come here. Then you have to click on this and this one. They are the one that we are going to merge the same way we did the other one. Very simple. Alright, now let us apply a color for it first. You can see now we have formed this shape and it's exactly like this. Now if you notice, this one has image inside. Alright, so how do we now do this? The simple way is just go to your texture. Whether you have removed the background of the image or not, you can do this. Alright, so just go to texture, then you are going to select a picture from your gallery. Alright, so you click on this picture icon here. So I'm making use of this picture. Alright, so let me crop to get something like this. Then you have to click on this. After cropping, click on this. Then if you notice it's not reflecting, why? The reason is because we applied color to it, so we have to go and off our color. So if I off this button here, then it will not show up and you can see it. Right, so this is very simple. Right, so this is how you can create your custom shape. There are lots of shapes that you can create. Right, so this is just a basic way to show you how you can create those shapes. So if you see any shape and you want to create it, just simply use these steps and you will get it. Alright, so I think the last thing is that this one has a stroke, so let's just add a stroke to work on and we are done. Alright, so I think we are done with our design. Alright, thank you for staying to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe if you have not, and share this video to others. And I would like you to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you comment. Even if you don't have any question, just drop a comment in the comment section. I appreciate this video by dropping a nice comment in the comment section. But I'll see you in the next video.